To show setting, searches, and suggestion on the S Finder on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the right side of the search bar. And then tap setting. Next, tap the gray on offset next to show setting, searches, and suggestion until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how it works, tap the back key. As you can see, now your phone will show the latest setting, searches, and suggestion, or those with hashtag, below the search bar. If needed, you can tap one of the setting, searches, or suggestion to search it using S Finder. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.